In this video, we will see how to create a company Tally. So I'll go back to Tally, which we installed in the previous video. And here, as soon as you open the Tally, it will give you four options, which is create company in case you do not have any company. Second one is select remote company. So Tally has an option of remote access. In case you're using that option, you can use this. Third one is specify for a path. If you already have a path, you can just click here and paste the path. And fourth one is select from drive. In case you want to drill down and select, you can use this path. So currently we do not have any company. So I'll say let's create a company. I'll select, click on create company. So here it will ask me to create a company. Yeah, so this is the screen which opens when you create a company. First one is company data path. Usually it takes the data path where the tally is installed, but if you want to change, you can change it here. I'll keep it the same path. Then we have to give the company name here. So I'll give growth partners English demo. So since we are recording the videos in all many more languages, I'll name this as English demo. And then we will say Bangalore, state is Karnataka, mobile number, let's put our office number here, and email, let's say hello at partners.in, website be www.partners.in, and currency is obviously INR, and financial years begin from and books beginning from. So this you have to choose uh, when you're creating the company, and then I'll click on this, and then say accept. As soon as I accept, yeah. So this is the screen which opens, which asks me to uh, set up the company features and configurations. So since I want to show all the features, I'll go to show more features. I'll click on yes, and I'll just read out what these features mean. So there's another option called show all features. I'll click on yes. So we now see all the features available in company, and uh, so uh, so first one is maintain accounts. So if we want this tally to be used for maintaining accounts, we'll say yes, and then enable bill-wise entry. If you want to maintain accounts where all the bills have to be tracked separately, customer-wise, vendor-wise, you have to click yes here. In case you want to use cost centers, you have to click yes here. If you want this interest calculation on loans, etc., you have to click yes. And then inventory. So these are the different modules: accounting, inventory, taxation, online access, payroll, others. These are different modules. So second one is inventory. In case you want to maintain inventory, that is stock for your in your tally, you have to click yes here. Second one is integrate accounts with inventory. So in case you want to merge them both, accounts and inventory, you have to click yes. Otherwise, you have to keep it as no. Enable multiple price levels. So in case you have price lists and you want to select price level in every bill, you have to click yes here. Enable batches. In case you want to maintain batch wise inventory, you have to click yes here. Then we have job order processing, enable cost tracking, enable job costing, use discount column in invoices. In case you want discount column in invoice, you have to click yes, and one discount column will appear. Use separate actual and billed quantity columns in invoice, this in case you want to use. Then we have taxation. Here, in case you want to enable GST, you have to click yes here. And so you can enable the GST here. Let us do this. So we'll just put our GST number. So this is our GST number, and frequency of GST filing. I'll select it as monthly, and then GST username and password. In case we're using the e-filing directly from Tally, we can enter that. Is e-invoicing applicable? So this is the place where we set it up. So currently no, and then is e-way bill applicable? No, because we are completely into services. And then when it is applicable for interstate, all this can be set up here, and then I'll say accept. Similarly, we can enable TDS, TCS, VAT, excise, service tax. And then in case you want to view your Tally online on browser, you have to click yes here. And then Tally remote access services, if you want to use, you have to click yes here. In case you're maintaining payroll in Tally, this will be enabled. And then in others, we have enable payment request should to share payment link or QR code. Enable multiple addresses. In case your company has multiple addresses, you'll click yes here. Mark modified features. This is a company. This is a feature where, in case you have modified, somebody has modified a feature that can be marked. So this is how we can set up the company completely and click on yes. So once you create a company and set it up completely, this is the screen which appears, which is called Gateway of Tally. And you can see the current date here, and you can see currently we do not have any vouchers entered. This is the name of company, period selected. This is about how to create a company and also enable the company features and configurations.